You yourself said God can't be killed, and you said Jesus was killed. Come on,
For
Jay.
the purpose. No, for the
Hey,
purpose.
listen.
For the purpose of dying for our sins. And I'm never.
Look, was God killed?
I wouldn't say God. God can't. Hold on. Let me rephrase. God cannot be destroyed.
Was God killed?
God cannot be destroyed.
You're not answering the question.
God cannot be destroyed.
Was God killed?
God cannot be destroyed.
See, you won't answer.
I'm not gonna say it.
You're not gonna say
God
it.
can't be destroyed.
Because earlier you said he couldn't.
Yeah, but I'm saying.
And earlier you
but
said
I
Jesus
mean,
was.
but if
Was
Jesus-
Jesus killed?
But if Jesus was resurrected,
Was he killed though?
he died. Yes.
Was he killed?
He died.
So God can die.
God's capable of doing anything he wants.
God
and
can die.
resurrect
Can we
himself.
kill God?
God's capable of doing anything. and
Can we
resurrect-
kill God? Can we as humans kill God?
I believe God's capable of doing anything.
Can we as humans kill God?
God's capable of doing anything he wants.
You won't answer.